Hi guys, so I'm super excited. I'm looking at you. I'm super excited. So this came in the mail today. So I didn't even open it up. I got this from Target. So let's, oh, of course, as the title says, it's the BTSB. Can I open it? Yeah. Deluxe edition. I have a fetish for smelling things, so sorry. How does this open? Like, I swear I'm not dumb. Oh, ha. Now, like I said before, like I am new to, like I'm a new baby army. So, it says some words in here too, like the front it says B. And then it says, life goes on, like, oh, that's the lyrics to the song. Sit back a little bit. Alright, so the first thing, what is this? Oh, this is the, oh, my babies. Guess the lyric sheet. And I'm new to Korean, so I am learning though. But yes. Yeah, so this is pretty much like the lyrics to the song, and I guess it's like, it's their handwriting. So that's pretty dope. Alright, and the next one is this. I think this is a poster. I feel like I'm off center with this camera. Ugh. A poster. Don't they look divine? Look at Namjoon, my baby. And honestly, I don't have a bias. I love them all. Ooh, hold on. Wait, what is this? So this apparently is the CD. And it came like that. So I wonder, and these were in here. So, yo, they're like actual like little, like a polaroid. Oh, and they're doing this in the picture. Alright, Jimin. That background reminds me of Minzy's music video, Lovely. They're doing kissy faces. J-Hope. Jungkook. They look so comfortable and chill. I love that. Sugar. Yeah, I like that blue though. That royal blue. V. aka Taeyang. Namjoon. Where's oh, and I guess this is just, oh, I guess scan this for the Weavers. There should be, where's the other one? Oh, Jen. And I guess that goes like in here. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. And these look little postcards, I guess, which I will not be sending to anybody. None of them on there, but still. And I hope you guys have been streaming The Life Goes On music video on, you know, YouTube, Spotify. This is making book. I don't know exactly what this is. Like I said, this is my first time ever buying like a BTS like deluxe like album. So all this is pretty new to me. Bunch of Korean writing I can't read. I wonder if this part's for notes, but would you really write on this? I wouldn't. And I think I already said it, I'm not sure, but like apparently this album, like they're like heavily involved with like the producing, the making of the video, the photography. Those pants look cool. Actually, yeah, they look comfy, but I have like pajama pants just like that. And it says, stay, I'll be where you stay. I'll be where you stay. Wherever you stay? This will be wherever you stay? Yeah. And I guess more things to write. But for me, I'm not gonna write on that. Oh, this is like a thick book. What is the first page I turned to? Oh no, I just saw it. I just saw it. It's meant to be. Yeah, this is like a thick book, guys. I'm only gonna go to like, I guess like a couple of pages because I don't want to do the crease because I hate books like that. Oh, this is very colorful. You're my hope. This says portrait. Very colorful. I like that. Look at that skin. It's so smooth. So I wonder if each section of the book. Ah, okay. So like that was J-Hope, and now this is Jun's portion of the book. Colorful. Okay, so each one has their own. I guess he's gonna have a. Oh, we didn't have a close-up. And then we have Jungkook. These are nice pictures. I got mine. I think they're all the same price. I got mine from Target, or ordered from Target for like $50. Yes, this totally looks like Minzy's Lovely. That's pretty. They're all like handsome men. I'm sorry guys, I'm like looking at it as well. Probably gonna go through it more after I do this video. I got it and I'm like, oh, I gotta do a video ASAP. Hold on, what's going on? Oh, there's, huh. I don't understand. Anyways. Oh, Namjoon. Namjoon. Sugar. I'm just gonna like fast forward it now. Like, ugh. Wait, where's his close up? Yo, why I thought like I broke it. I was like, did I just break the book already? I did not. It goes like this. That's so dope. These come out, but I'm not taking them out. Yo, that's so cool. Be real careful for not letting these things come out. But thank you guys. That's pretty much everything. Yeah, that's everything out of here, which took me forever to open. But yes, I'm so excited. Thank you for being with me opening this up. My very first ever BTS album, like deluxe thingy, physical copy. But yeah, I can't wait to start doing more of these because this is actually fun. So thank you, and to my armies, mwah. Life goes on, and be strong and love yourself, right?